Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to update Snapchat, and if you're having any issues updating Snapchat on your phones, it's really simple and easy to do. Now, first things first, just go over to your App Store and just make sure that there's no update available for you. So just search for Snapchat on your App Store. And then as you see right here, I personally need an update, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on Update right now, and that will update for me. So another thing as well that I'm going to mention when this is updating that you guys can go check is if you just go over to your settings, and you open up your settings, you just want to make sure that your automatic updates is turned on. So if you just go over to your App Store and you want to go over to automatic downloads, and my low power mode is just on right now, so I'll go ahead and turn that off really quickly. And then you will see that when my low power mode is not on, I have my automatic app updates turned on. So you just want to go ahead and make sure that you toggle that on, and you don't have to worry about going to the App Store in the future. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.